Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the hotel sector, which generally I think that's a good indicator for tourism here in Thailand. And to go ahead and quote some source material here, this is from Thai Inquirer, the Thai Inquirer, that's thaiinquirer.com. Article is titled, "Third Wave of Pandemic Could Be Death Sentence for Thai Hotels." And quoting directly, "The third wave has wreaked havoc on hotel businesses, exacerbating a dire situation," the association president, and they're referring to the Thai Hotel Association. The association president, Marissa Sukoson Noon Bhakti, said in the press release, quoting further, Marissa said she doesn't expect any kind of normalcy to return until at least 2023. And that I thought was, we don't often see a lot of predictions, and I personally put a lot of credence into these folks that are the head of, for example, the Thai Hotel Association. These are the people that are dealing with the nitty-gritty of the business of running hotels and things. I think that we've talked about this in the context, for example, of the Tourism Council of Thailand, the TCT. I put a lot of credence in some of the things that they say because, again, they are an association of tourism operators. They're not, again, TAT. There's nothing wrong with the Tourism Authority of Thailand. I'm not saying that, but they kind of have a different mandate. In a way, they're almost in the business of sort of advertising tourism for Thailand, whereas like the TCT or the Thai Hotels Association, these folks are, they're on the ground. They're in the business. So when I hear somebody say that 2023 is the earliest we may see some activity toward quote-unquote normality with respect to the Thai hotel business, that gives me some insight into what I'm looking at moving forward and what I think folks can look at moving forward with respect to seeing the overall travel regime, immigration rules and things start to revert to a more, again, normal state of affairs. So 2023, hopefully it's sooner. I certainly hope it's sooner. But, as it said, from somebody that, in my opinion, probably would know, 2023, I can see that. 2022, I think is going to be all right. We're not a great time right now, presently, as of the time of this video. But as I've said in other videos, it's always darkest before the dawn. Nothing stays the same way forever. But 2021, I think, the end of the year probably kind of things will start looking better overall. But 2021, unfortunately, looks like it's not going so well, at least at this point. 2022, I certainly hope for a turnaround, but it looks like 2023 before we might see something that resembles normality.